This video I will explain how to fix OwSnap errors in Chrome. When you use Google Chrome, sometimes you may see a message saying OwSnap. This means that the web page could not load properly. It is a common problem and it is usually easy to fix. To fix the issue, first refresh the page. Sometimes the problem is temporary. Click on the reload button or press F5 on your keyboard. This forces Chrome to load the page again. Next fix is close the extra tabs. Having too many tabs open at the same time can use up a lot of your computer's memory. So you can close any tabs that you are not using and try again. Here you can see refresh the page or reload this page. Click on this to reload and to close the tab, click on this. Next fix is restart Chrome. Close the browser completely and open it again. This clears small temporary issues that may cause the error. Next fix is check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can cause pages not to load. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Next fix is clear browsing data. Sometimes old or corrupted cache and cookies cause the error. So go to the settings, privacy and security, then clear browsing data. Then you have to select cached images and files and cookies and clear them. We will see how to do that. Click on settings, privacy and security, delete browsing data. And here you have to select the time range, then select all these things, then click on delete data. Next fix is disable extensions. Extensions are small tools you add to Chrome. Some extensions may conflict with websites and cause errors. So go to extensions in menu, then turn them off one by one to see if problem is solved. We will see how to do that. Here you can see the extensions. Click on manage extensions. And here you can see the list of extensions you have installed. You can disable one by one and check that. Or you can remove one by one and check that. Next fix is update Chrome. Using old version of Chrome can cause issues. So go to menu help and about Google Chrome and update to the latest version. Help, click on about Google Chrome. Next fix is restart your computer. If the error still appears, restart your computer. This refreshes the memory and fixes background problems. Next fix is check for malware or viruses. Sometimes harmful software can block Chrome from working properly. So use your computer's antivirus or Chrome's built-in cleanup tool to scan and remove the problems. Last resort is reinstall the Chrome. If nothing works, uninstall the Chrome and install the Chrome again. This gives you a fresh version with no errors. In short, the OwSnap error usually happens because of problems with memory, internet, extensions, or Chrome itself. By refreshing, clearing data, checking the internet, disabling extensions, and updating the Chrome, you can easily fix it. Refresh and restart. Reload the page, close tabs, restart Chrome on your computer. Or clear the browsing data and check for malware. Or you can update the Chrome or reinstall if necessary. If you follow these steps, you can fix this problem.